Hello, good morning. This is the second recipe that we are going to make, which is perfect for Noche Buena. So we call this Chicken Afritada, and this is very saucy, very delicious, and creamy. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and then heat 1/4 cup of cooking oil. You can use the cooking oil of your choice. This time I use canola oil. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to brown the carrots and the potato. So let's just go ahead and then spread them together, and eventually it will brown in. So this is how it should look like in all sides. So you can just go ahead and flip them. And then let's go ahead and add the chicken. So just simply cover it and wait for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, the chicken has been cooking for quite some time and it's already very soft. Now you can go ahead and add your pepper, your hot dogs, and you have here the seasoning here. It's the salt, pepper, and then a bouillon. Just make sure that the bouillon is crushed. And then let's go add in the tomato paste. This is 1/4 cup. And then you can add in the water. This is 2 cups of water. Then cover it and let it simmer for another 5 more minutes. So this has been cooking for about 30 minutes, and look at that, the sauce is so sticky and creamy. And the liquid has reduced for a bit, and now let's go ahead and add the potatoes and then the carrots. Then we can add now the frozen peas. We added this frozen peas last because it's actually really soft already. So let's just go add this and then let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Just simply mix them together. See how colorful this is, and it tastes really good too. Okay guys, I'm so excited about this. I know this will be very tasty. And let's see here. Okay, I'm going to try the chicken and see if it's soft enough. Oh, so good. So you can eat this with rice, or you can just eat it by itself. It's so good, and it's so also very good with freezing. And so you can make a huge batch of this also, and then you can freeze it. See you in the next video.